Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Impala Premier. For the month of September, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $1,900 in savings. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your dual exhaust, and 19-inch machine-faced aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a moonroof. We have cooling and heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.